A couple's wedding day is likely to remain one of the most significant days of their lives. With every detail planned, the execution of the ceremony and the coordination of guests can make or break the event. From setup to guest arrival, even transportation to and from the venue or reception, communications is vital in keeping everyone updated in what's next in the process. One great two-way radio option for wedding venues and planning teams would be the Kenwood PKT-23 two-way radio. This lightweight, compact handheld offers ease of use, along with coverage up to 5 miles in optimal conditions. IP54 dust and water resistant, and built to military standards, this is a tough little radio. Also, keep your two-way radio communications discreet and hands-free with a 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece, while a belt clip secures the handheld to your hip. Rapid chargers as well as replacement batteries are also valuable accessories to add to your system for just-in-case purposes. Let your clients' weddings flow seamlessly with optimal communications, and allow each one of them to fully enjoy a day they'll remember. For more information on the Kenwood PKT-23 two-way radio for your wedding planning business, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.